piano sound.
My studio has a many objects. I had a many experimentation all the time, and then it's messy, but it's really fun. I'm Yuko Mohri. I'm based in Tokyo. I'm working on the installation, also sound sculpture, and also kinetic sculpture too. I'm very interested about invisible phenomena like magnetic force, also sound, sometimes dust, resistance of the fruits. When I created the installation, for example, the space it already has many elements like a natural light, wind, or gravity. The type of the elements is quite important for my creativity. This is the new work and name is Hitokuchi in Japanese. The paper is moving very slowly to touch on the floor very kindly. Now it's like it looks white, but actually it's getting dirty. It's like changes the condition with the surface depends on the weather, humidity. 3 sensors to read in the surface, and it's connected to the 3 devices, 3 elements like lighting, also the bell and spoon, and tissue. I found this bell like in South Korea over 10 years ago. I like bell very much. Decomposition. I started this project during pandemic. I couldn't travel much. I needed something the changing instead of me. And the fruits actually we could find it everywhere over the world. And in this process it looks stable, but the inside of the fruits is changing. If we put in there the 2 needles and the 1 fruit, it's generating a sound. It's actually calculating the moisture inside of the banana. And it's changing the sound depends on the position. Also depends on the rotating process. In the fair, maybe you can see there are many fries. So my work is actually having many details. So it's kind of the Frieze is going to be very busy, but I hope people can discover very tiny changing the view, also sound in this booth.